Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you how you can fix no sound on YouTube TV. So if you are playing a video and you do not hear any sound, so what you can do to fix the issue. So if you go, for example, if you play this video, this is a ESPN channel, ESPN News. And if you do not hear any audio, what you can do is you can check if you are muted or not. So if you're muted, you can unmute. If this still does not fix your issue, you can check your system volume. So if your volume is on or not, you can check that if you're muted or not. And this should resolve the issue. But if the issue is still not resolved, you can check if your speakers are working or not. To check your audio or your speakers, you can play any other audio from like YouTube or from any other source like Netflix or Amazon Prime. You can see it on there. If their audio are not playing, then it must be the issue with your hardware. But if they are working fine and it's only the YouTube TV that you are still not hearing anything, what you can do is you can contact the support by clicking this question mark right here. You can contact support of YouTube TV. What you can do is you can simply go to contact us and then contact the YouTube TV help. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your issue. Thank you so much for watching.